Hey everyone, Dr. Judy here. Welcome to week one of 2870 Safety Management Systems. I wanted to just highlight a few things. We've been introducing what is safety and been receiving your assignments and taking a look at the introduction and the discussion forum, and appreciate everybody so far and participating. So, a few things. What is safety? What does it mean to us? There are obviously definitions: averting or not causing injury or loss, trying to prevent injury or danger, managing risk, managing loss. These are all common definitions that you'll hear when we talk about safety. There's also a perception problem. I'll know safety exists when it's a gut feeling, warm, fuzzy, general consensus. I'll know we have safety if we have a program or if we have policies. But safety is really starts with us as individuals. We have to be able to measure safety to understand if we really are operating in a safe environment, especially when it comes to operating in the aviation environment. There are indicators of safe and unsafe actions. Here are a list of some of them. Safety conscious culture. In my opinion, safety really begins by a culture. We want to have here at Polk State College of Aerospace a safety culture. If we don't have a safety culture embedded within our flight department, accidents surely will occur. The exchange and open communication of safety issues is extremely important. Reporting safety issues, whether that's from the maintenance folks, from flight instructors, from students, from faculty, but you want to have an open and honest communication when we report safety. Unsafe, cutting corners, not following checklists. You guys have mentioned many of them, and I think identifying unsafe indications is easier than identifying safe indications. So focus on the left side of this chart more than on the right side. And that's normally what takes a little bit more critical thought is understanding what are the right safe indications for a good quality safety program in aviation. Aviation operations do not occur in a vacuum. This is pretty true. We're going to talk as we move through the course. We're going to talk about some accidents that have occurred in aviation. We're going to talk about accidents based on ATC, based on weather, based on pilots, and we're also going to read in your Set Phasers on Stun book. We're going to read some scenarios in there of where accidents have occurred. It's a great book. If you don't have that book, you're going to need it for this course. We are going to read it, and there will be reading assignments that you'll have to do in the Set Phasers on Stun course. So more to come as we talk about the systematic problem that occurs in safety. And we're not the Set Phasers on Stun book also looks at other industry bases besides just aviation, which I think is important for a class like this, so we can look at safety across other industries as well. There's also a human problem. The course will go into some human factors. I do teach another course called Human Performance, Human Factors and Resource Management, ASC 2473, I think will be offered in the spring term. And a lot of times folks that take this course will then take ASC 2473. So we will talk about some human factors as we move forward, but human factors is certainly a part of the safety problem and a part of the safety culture because, again, I believe all safety really starts with the human. You can have a great program, but if people haven't bought onto it and the company hasn't bought onto it, the program isn't going to work. So that's a summary of this week, just a small introduction into safety management and what safety means to you. Continue monitoring the discussion forum online and introducing yourself if you've not done that, and responding to your other classmates. And don't forget to turn in your What Does Safety Mean to You assignment by this Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Besides that, reach out to me if you have any questions. All of my contact information is in the syllabus, and have a great week. Thank you. Bye-bye.